Oh, goddamn. Okay, so don't look at my feet, but this is a 3D printer that I bought with little to no research, just a couple of Reddit posts that said, buy this one. So we're gonna open it, and I don't know if you have to build it, but let's have a look. We seem to have instructions, a quick start guide. We won't be needing that because we're men. So I got this metal thing, this thing, and we got this thing, and this thing. I know what this is. This is the power. I know I said I didn't want the instructions, but I might need the instructions. Remove the 4 Z-axis limiter mounting screws and detach the 2 Z-axis limiters. What the fuck is the Z-axis? These screws need to be removed. Ah, you bitch. Remove all packaging foam, cardboard wraps, and zip ties. Install the build plate with correct orientation. Put the printer frame on the table as shown above. The fuck am I looking at? Ah. There we go. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. What is happening? This is taped. Can we get it out? After we squeezed it in? Maybe not. Alright, there we go. This side's got tape on it as well that I'm supposed to remove. Oh, am I? Maybe not. Oh, shit. Oh, we do it like that. Hey. Push the heat bed fully to the front end where the screen is located. Open the Y-axis cover. Turn it around. I hope that was supposed to do that. Alright, so now I've got to put these screws into these green holes, apparently. And we push the heat bed to this end. Oh, damn. Look at me being a 3D printing bloody savant. Cover the table with cardboard for protection. Oh, okay. I'm not using a table. I think I have to use a table. Let's use the box. Align the 2 clips on the cable box with the holes on the base housing. Slide up the cable box. Oops. Then screw in the pre-installed screw highlighted in green. Oh wait, that's not in properly. There we go. That's come off like that. I don't know if I did that, or I'm gonna assume I didn't because I'm a 3D printing savant. Ah, my little fingies. So that goes in there. Because this is supposed to go into here. That thing that I pop close is supposed to be open, so I can put the cable in there. You really gotta read the instructions before you do this shit, right? Which I don't. Do I try and break it? Do I pry it? There we go. It said it takes 20 minutes. It's been an hour and a half so far. So I'm just gonna. It said it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to assemble, and
One did say it took 8 hours.
I'm been here for an hour and a half so far. But that's because they keep saying to do shit after the fact and I've already done the wrong thing. Say hi.
Hello. Let's flash.
So we go back on its feet. Fold out the touch screen. Slide in purge wiper unit into the slot at the end of the X-axis. Oh, we've got more shit that I was supposed to remove. That's fun. Without letting the bolt out, I have to get this in there. Bark is coming out. There we go. Okay. That's good, that's good. Assemble the spool holder. Connect the tool head filament inlet. Oh, the fuck? So I'm supposed to be adding a spool, but I don't have a spool.
3 days later.
And the spool. So the spool goes on here. Oh, you can see it. You can see it going down. Look at that. And then we need to plug it in. Where's that power cord gone? Plug it in to the back here. And then we plug it in to the power. So I found a bigger cable that should reach. Perfect. Turn it on back here. And start. Jesus.
Later.
I did my first calibration test. It went zzz, 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 and then it stopped. So I think everything's fine. And now we just need to lube it up, and then we can print our first whatever it's gonna be. It's finally time. We get to print something with plastic. If we go print files, that one, and print. Jesus. I'm guessing it's heating up. The print's supposed to take about 21 minutes. Let's hope it doesn't blow up. So apparently the filament's not loaded. So we go load filament, load, sure. Bambu Lab, PLA plastic, color, cyan. Okay. Please feed filament into PFT tube. I didn't push it in far enough. Alright, that should be in far enough. Check nozzle select done if filament was extruded. It does not appear to be extruded. I don't know when, but it started printing the filament at some point, so we can continue finally. Is it gonna stop? There we go. Oh, just threw it on the ground.
I threw it on the ground.
Okay, so it's load complete.
That's what she said.
Oh shit, stop. Oh wait, maybe it's supposed to do that. Apparently it's 24% done. Hasn't done a goddamn thing. Final time was 21 minutes and we used 10 grams of filament. It appears to be quite stuck to the bed. I don't know how to remove that. How do you remove that? Apparently it's a bit warm, but if we just do this, let me show the camera. Oh yeah, look at that. And I have a 3D printed boat. And that's my first 3D print. So what are my thoughts? There's a little, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little line across the boat right there. I don't know if that's supposed to be there, if that's a print issue, but this table wobbled quite a bit. I don't know if that affects the print. It's spat out these little balls. So I don't know what you do about that. I don't know if that's supposed to happen or what. You could definitely smell burning plastic, and it's not as quiet as I thought it'd be, but I mean, it's fine. It is burning plastic after all. But once it's all said and done, I mean, look at that. I printed that. That's pretty cool. So I definitely like it. I didn't change any settings or anything either. It printed that without me doing anything besides putting it all together. They said on the website that putting it all together would take about 20 to 30 minutes. It didn't. It took like an hour and a half because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I mean, look at that. That's cool. There's a little boat. And it came from that. So.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.